welcome to episode 78 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about those pledged loans. Maybe you put things up for collateral for these different loans. If you did, then what I suggest that you do is I suggest that you call them and see if they can extend your payments. Sometimes you have things like your refrigerator, sometimes it's a stove, maybe you bought these different things, but they can technically come back and take those back. A lot of times they won't come take them back, they'll just leave it there. But if you got those type of loans, ask them if they can extend it. Say, hey, I can't pay it right now. Is there some way that you can extend my payments? Can you move back my due date? What can you do? Sometimes you can also ask them if they can rewrite it to reduce your payments. Same thing as like refinancing your car. Instead of you paying, say if you're paying $100 right now for whatever it is, they can bring it down to $70 or $80 or maybe even $50. It depends on the thing, but ask them what they can actually do. I just really suggest you guys, if you have any debts out there, just call them, tell them what you got going on. Hey, I lost my job. Hey, a family member passed away and I have to help with this. Hey, I'm having health issues myself. Whatever situation may be, call them and tell them what the situation is, and then ask them what they can do to help you. And let them know, hey, I understand that you may not have options. Can I talk to someone and they help me figure out my options? And if they say, oh, that's all we can do, just say, hey, so you'll rather me not pay anything, mess up my credit, than to help negotiate something so that I can pay and pay on time. But be very firm and stern with them, especially when you know you don't have any other options. They're not giving you options so that you can have a great option that won't further ruin your life. Okay. And that's honest, because a lot of times if you don't come up with an option, they want to keep reporting you late to the credit bureau. It's gonna mess up your credit. Now you can't get credit cards, cars. You can't probably rent a house with bad credit. So you want to make sure that you get all these options and you want to get them in writing, and you want to figure out exactly what you can do. But let's go over to the next episode. I'll see you all there.